Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the essay A Vindication of the Right of the Women, which was written by Mary Wollstonecraft. This is a first work which is written in feminism. There is total 13 chapter in this book. Mary Wollstonecraft is considered as both moral and political philosopher. This essay was published in 1792 and is written in response to those educational and political theorities of 18th century who considered or believed that women should not receive rational education. But Mary considered that women are human beings, deserves the same fundamental right as women as men gets. She said women are not inferior than men. They tend to be inferior because they do not get a good education. Mary said women cannot become a good mother, wife without education, and they cannot give their child a good wing by not educating themselves. In 18th century, people accept that women should focus on their external beauty and they only become a medium for entertaining men. After reading Bishop Talleyrand Perigord's 1971 report to the France National Assembly, who said women does not need to get education, they only needed domestic education, and women cannot become ever equal to men. In this response, Mary has specially wrote this essay dedicating to this bishop. Personally, Mary respect this bishop because he fought for slavery and also against colonizations. But this was only a bad thought which Mary don't like. Mary warned that women should increase virtue and rationality. It means that they should be think and sensible and in response and in reason, not on personal and appearance. Mary considered that virtue is above the beauty. Mary said that her family members were focusing in the women appearance. Society do not bother on women education. Men thinks that women are thinking emotionally where Mary thinks women should not think like that but he should think in developing their character. She said virtue is superior than human elegance. Mary further adds that whatever the condition of women is because of this society. This society is male dominant society. Women are controlled by the men, husband, society, family and society rules. Women had lots of pressure from all the parts. Their own family don't want to educate women. Mainly in this essay, Mary had talked about middle class women and lower class women because rich family women, however, gets the education. Next, he talks about Jacques Rousseau, a writer who criticized women. As he said, women are not made for education. He only quotes main education. He do not want to give education to the women as he thinks that they do not need it. He said women should get that much education as only to serve men. Here Mary criticized Rousseau and said women should take her own education discussions decision and should be independent. Here she also attacks on many writer. She said writer intentionally destroyed the character of women. Example in the novels of 18th and 19th century, the characters of women are shown like dumb. No importance was given to them because that time there were no women writer. She said that every woman should become financially strong and this is only possible only by education. Second most important thing that Mary said is involvement of women in every field of society, that is both social and political. That she should become doctor, engineer and depend on herself. Third thing is co-education concept. She wants male and women should study together because or so that both can understand and cooperate each other. Mary also attacked to female, not attach and fullest think. At last he said women should not focus on fullest think and she should focus on her life and education. So there are three themes in this essay. First is marriage as friendship, second is reason and rationality, third is education and virtue. Thank you. Bye bye.